Sometimes you come across a customer experience survey where you can choose multiple answers to the survey question. You might even be able to choose all of the above option.
What? Choose at least 4 answers? I can't think of that many. Whatever, I'll just choose something.
It might work in some cases, but it can also cause friction and frustration to the person answering to the survey. In addition, the survey data might be very hard to analyze.
This survey is too complex. I don't have the time.
At HappyOrNot, we believe single select questions work better in a lot of use cases when measuring customer or employee experience in the moment. They're fast and easy to answer, which again ensures you get much higher response rates. Not only that, but you will get more clear insights and know what actually is the key reason for satisfaction or dissatisfaction. And hey, it's good to note that if you use the same answer options for both positive and negative follow-up questions, you're able to compare the ratio between the positive and the negative. That can be very insightful.